What's going on, Dividend Chasers? It's a Dividend Bloodhound here with another investing episode. In this episode, we're going to talk about yet another EV company called Workhorse. And this is a company over in the United States, again, sort of piggybacking the EV revolution that's happening over there, where people are finally realising the potential of electric vehicles and big companies are jumping on board. This company is producing electronic vans, a pickup truck and drones that will aid parcel delivery to companies like UPS or FedEx or Amazon ultimately in the end. However, they are again in their very early days. They're just starting to find their feet, which is kind of reflected in the stock price. The information, financial fundamentals about them are again bit shaky very early on, so these are very speculative stocks and very speculative times. But before I get into further analysis, all I'm going to say is if this video brings you some value, please hit that like button in the corner there. If you're brand new here, I'm the Dividend Bloodhound. It'd be absolutely fantastic if you could hit that subscribe button in the corner and even ring that notification bell as well if you're feeling super kind. That being said, let's roll the intro and let's get in there. See you on the other side. Hello again guys, welcome to the next part of this video where we are looking at the company and stock that is called Workhorse, ticker WKHS. Very early on in this company's life, and that is reflected in the fundamentals that we have here. There's a market cap currently of 699 million, revenue of 370,000, an EPS of minus 0.58. It's significantly in debt at the moment because it's trying to get its product to the market at minus 37 million. However, there are some real green shoots with this company. Companies like UPS are placing significant orders for their electric vans. They're also bringing a pickup truck to the market as well. And there's going to be a real demand for zero emission vehicles in the coming decades ahead as we make the switch from diesel vehicles or petrol vehicles to electric or hybrid. And this company is extremely well placed to do that. They have a truck called the C series that comes in two sizes, the 650 and the 1000, which both have a 100-mile range, which is perfect for companies like UPS operating in cities where we want the air to be particularly cleaner. They are 100% electric. They can even operate a drone out the back of them, where it's called the Horsefly, and it will offer delivery services from there. So you can turn up in an electric truck, load the package into the drone, and then use the drone to drop off the rest. They have a delivery target of 300 to 400 vehicles by the end of 2020, 303 to 400 vehicles in the year for now, I believe. So it's quite early on, but they're definitely getting there and they're trying to ramp up their production phase. They're an exceptional company really to start off with. They've got a lot of potential. I'm not invested in these guys yet because I moved on Hylian rather than Workhorse, but this company is definitely going to benefit from the revolution that is happening right now. And if I can find any spare speculative money, because I really am more tilted towards value investing, I will potentially invest in this company as well. That being said, I'm going to wrap it up there and I'll see you in the real world. Just an added extra note guys, I forgot to look at the actual stock price here. So as you can see, over the last week it has jumped from $7 up to $9.89 as people are starting to realise the potential. It's almost a straight upwards trend at the moment for this company. That doesn't mean to say that it's going to stay there, but it certainly looks like people are finally realising this potential. And when you look at the likes of Nikola and Hylian, it just shows you that these companies are finally being valued properly by the market for what they do. And as long as they back up this support they're getting with some actual good sales and good data in the future, that value will no doubt hold. Now we are definitely done this time, and I'll catch you back in the real world. Sorry about that. Catch you in a minute. What's going on again, guys? Welcome back. So there we have it then. Workhorse, again, another undervalued at the moment because they're so new, I think, EV company. They've got a sector of the market that Tesla or any other company hasn't really touched yet in terms of electronic vans, especially when you're targeting delivery companies over in the US. But that could easily be applied to normal work vans for tradesmen all over the US and all over the world for that matter. And with the sort of growth rate that Tesla, Hyliion and Nikola have seen, there's no reason why this company can't do the same. They're producing an EV product that's got a massive demand. There's huge amounts of vans on the road all over the world. If you look at the sort of demand that the company could potentially get from the likes of Amazon, FedEx, UPS, Royal Mail over here in the UK, for example, or Hermes, Parcel Force and the like, they've got a huge demand there that they can try and meet, and there isn't too many other companies at the moment that are producing electronic vans. I know there'll be some in the pipeline somewhere. No doubt Ford will be looking at it in the future, so will Tesla probably, based on trying to diversify their product lines. But this really is the future now, and it's really starting to gather pace, in my opinion. The old cliche saying is the future is electric, but I think that is really coming to fruition, and it's happening really quick, and it's going to just gather pace quickly, and speculative investors are trying to jump in on the train before it bolts and leaves the station altogether. Excuse the little term there, but that is what I'm trying to get at. It could be good to get in, make your money, and then get out again, or it could be even better if you hold for the lifeline of this product as they try and get themselves established as a proper company. You could really make some serious money there, especially if they either start paying dividends or they just keep growing exponentially. I mean, who would have thought that Tesla was going to over $1,000 a share way back 5-10 years ago when they were just starting out, and you could have picked them up for under $100 or $200 or so. Nobody was probably thinking that far ahead then, but I guarantee you they certainly are now. That being said, getting this video to you guys has been an absolute pleasure. If it's brought you some value, please smash that like button. If you're brand new here, please hit the subscribe button in the other corner. And if you're feeling great, if you're feeling great, I'm feeling great, please hit that notification bell as well. And I'll catch you in my very next episode, hopefully. See you again soon. Catch you on the other side. Bye.